Hello, children. Today I am going to tell you about some Indian authors. The first one I am going to tell you is about Mulk Raj Anand. His famous book is Coolie. Here you can see the picture of his old age, young age, and the cover page of his book. Mulk Raj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar, Pakistan, and he is known as one of the pioneers of Indo-Anglian fiction. He is also notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award for English and also Padma Bhushan. Next author that I am going to tell you about is Khushwant Singh. You can see here his famous book Train to Pakistan. Khushwant Singh was an Indian diplomat, author, lawyer, journalist. He has written a number of famous books. Here you can see the cover page of his book Train to Pakistan. He was born in the year 1950. Next author that I am going to tell you about is Nirad C. Chaudhary. Nirad C. Chaudhary has written the book An Autobiography of an Unknown Indian. Nirad C. Chaudhary was born on 23rd November 1897 in Bangladesh. Next author that I am going to tell you is about R. K. Narayan. R. K. Narayan is famous for his book Malgudi Days. His full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayanaswamy, commonly known as R. K. Narayan. He is an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of an early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand. He was born on 10th October 1906. Another author that I am going to tell you about is Amitav Ghosh. You can see his famous book, The Shadow Lines. It is the cover page of his book. Amitav Ghosh is an Indian writer and a winner of the 54th Jnanpith Award, best known for his work in English fiction. He was born on 11th July 1956 in Kolkata. He has won a number of awards, the important being Jnanpith Award, Arthur C. Clarke Award, Padma Shri, Another author that you are going to learn about is The Palace of Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. She has written this book, The Palace of Illusions. She is an Indian American author, poet. She was born on 29 July in Kolkata. She has won some awards, American Book Award, Crawford Award also. Another another author that I am going to tell you about, a very famous author, Kiran Desai. You can see her book, The Inheritance of Loss. You can see the picture of the author holding her book. Kiran Desai is an Indian author and she won the Booker Prize for her book The Inheritance of Loss in 2006. She was born on 3rd September 1971. She has won these awards: Booker Prize, National Book Critics Circle Award for Fiction. Here you can see the picture of another great writer, Ruskin Bond. You can see his famous book, The Room on the Roof. You can also see the picture of his young age, where he is holding a cat in his hand, and you can see another picture of his old age. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Mussoorie, India. He was born on 19th May 1934. He has also done some movies and TV shows. He has won the Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan Award. Next author that we are going to do today is Salman Rushdie, well known for his book Midnight's Children. You can see the cover page of his book over here. Salman Rushdie is a British Indian novelist and essayist whose work, combining magical realism with historical fiction, is primarily concerned with the many connections, disruptions, and migrations between Eastern and Western civilizations. He was born on 19 June 1947 in Mumbai. Next author that we are going to do today is Amish Tripathi, well known for his book Immortals of Meluha. Amish Tripathi is the director of the Nehru Centre in London and a columnist and an author. He is very well known for his books The Immortals of Meluha, The Secret of the Nagas, The Oath of the Valuputras are some of his famous books. He was born on 18th October 1974 in Mumbai. Okay children, I've told you about some of the famous books and some of the famous authors. Here I would like to say, if you've liked my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to remain updated with the latest videos. Thank you children.